Welcome to the P10 Productivity Accelerator Assessment. I'm happy that you've made the choice to be here, and I congratulate you on your commitment this is just the beginning of the process, is taking the assessment for the first time. And so I just want to give you a little bit of an introduction of what you can expect through the system and what kind of results you might expect to receive. So people who come in to take the assessment have told me that it's given them much greater clarity and focus. It's given them some ahas to really assess some areas that they never really thought about that are impacting their productivity. It's given them an understanding of their strengths and weaknesses, as well as a clarity around the gaps, and giving them the focus and direction around what actions need to be taken in order to reach a higher level of productivity. They also said one of the things they've really appreciated was being able to come back to the assessment and assess themselves again and use it as an accountability tool, use it as a tracking system, and a way to really see how they're closing their gaps and follow through with the actions that they're taking. So that's what the various steps are going to help you through. Is step one is taking the assessment and rating yourself. Step two is identifying where the challenges are that are keeping you from your next level of productivity. Step 3 and 4 are a little bit of reporting and diagnostic that give you some different ways of thinking about how this may impact you. And the most important step then follows, which is the action plan. All this knowledge is nothing unless you've applied it. So we get the opportunity right within the system for each of the core drivers to set what actions you're going to take. And then as you come back to the system, you'll be able to continually see, as we said, follow up on where it is that you are in your process and how well you're doing in closing the gap of your productivity. So you can use this assessment for yourself personally. You can use it with your team in the organization because there are some team functions, and it's really, really valuable to see which individuals are shining and really productive, which ones are not, and which areas the organization can really come up with some important actions that are going to help across the board to make all individuals more productive and as a group be more productive. So very, very valuable as a team, and also for individual purposes. So for instance, if you have a specific challenge, then you might be able to use the assessment using these 10 core drivers to make sure that you're thinking about the mindset around this challenge, you're thinking about the strategies around the challenge, and then the sustainability. So it can be used in any of those contexts. So I'm excited for you to get started. If you have any questions, you can certainly send it to our help desk or put the questions into the chat box and somebody will get back to you. And I wish you success, and please do share how this assessment has impacted you, because it's through your use and through your feedback that helps me to share that with others so that they can understand how they can best use it, and also to appreciate the value and the impact that it provides them and their team and their company. So enjoy the process, and I look forward to hearing about your success.